Kara. I'm with Caramello. This is my channel. I love to do a little bit of everything. I'm super into fitness right now. I like to decorate my home, but on the cheap side, even though I want it to still look beautiful. I love to travel. So if it's your first time, welcome. Today I'm gonna be talking about how to decorate for Valentine's Day, and I have a lot of fun options for you. So I love Target. I'm sorry, I do. They get me. Every time I go in, every time I walk by that stupid dollar spot, I find something I like. It's honestly, it's a curse and a blessing, I tell you. So recently I walked in and I found this letterboard. And it's so cute. It only came with 2 sets of letters, so that's kind of a bummer because I probably won't be able to do too many messages with it. But I'll be able to do enough. Today is I love you more because it's adorable. I don't have a letterboard yet, so this was kind of a fun way for me to try it out to see if I even want one. It was only $3. Next is these placemats. So I actually needed placemats anyways. I'm a huge fan of the gold heart, obviously, and kind of like the gray linen stripes. I don't know if you can kind of tell in the light. And these are usually really expensive. These can be like $5 a piece. So if you need like 6, that's a lot of money. So this was only $2.99 because it's holiday, but guess what? I'm gonna use it more than the holidays because it's adorable. I wanted to add a splash of flowers. I can't stand January. It's kind of the worst month ever. So we're coming towards the end of January and I knew February was coming. So, ta-da! Are they real? They look real, right? These are from Home Goods and they have so many options. I wanted to buy them all, but I couldn't because they're a little more on the pricier side. So this was, I believe, $39. But I have to admit, it looks amazing. It has the faux water, which you can kind of see. And this is a blush color. They have white and they have pink, and you can put it in the center of your table, or you can put it at your entry table, which is what I do with mine. But splash of color wherever you go, and I'm for sure gonna probably be using this throughout the year, not just at Valentine's Day. Okay, moving on. So when I saw this at Target, I had to have it. It was actually in the party zone of the Valentine section, which is really weird. It was next to plates and like cupcake frostings and sprinkles. $6. And it has these gold metallic hearts on them. And I put mine on top of my mantle, which I'll show you in a little bit, and I just think it's so cute. Another thing that I got that I've been wanting for a long time is something to hang across my mantle. Wood clips on the back are kind of fun. You can clip photos and cute stuff on it. I keep mine simple. I like to decorate, but I like it to be simple. But you can always put this on a bookshelf or anything else that you have, whatever works for you. The next thing I love to decorate with is glass because it's pretty cheap and it's pretty. So these were from Target. They have them this year, $3 for these tea light containers. So you can put votive candles in it. I keep mine empty because I'm weird and I know I'm not gonna light it, but if you are gonna light it or like want a battery one, it would look really cute in here too. And because I decorate in 3s, I got this extra pretty pink ceramic one from Target section as well, the dollar section. And then I put these together and I'll show you how I do it on my mantle in just a minute. Is my candy jar. I am a huge sucker for holiday candy, except not this year. I'm on a diet. Well, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change, guys. But if it was up to me, this would have cinnamon hearts or cinnamon lips in it. Hopefully I gave you some good ideas and inspired you to go decorate your apartment, your bedroom, your house, whatever it is. Make it a little bit more festive and more spring-like if you're suffering from the winter blues like me. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you find these at your local Home Goods. I'd love to know what other colors, or send me your pictures on my Instagram. Have a good day. Thank you so much.